Again we are here to discuss another classification of a flip-flop, that is D flip-flop, known to be a delay flip-flop. So we'll be starting with the circuit diagram, followed by the characteristic table, then characteristic equation, and finally we'll be seeing the excitation table of D flip-flop. Then we'll be discussing T flip-flop, that is toggle flip-flop, after discussing D flip-flop. Okay, so as far as the circuit diagram is concerned, so clock table, clock signal, NOR gate, a universal gate, rest remains the same, Q bar. Okay, it's a simple circuit diagram for D flip-flop. Now we'll be seeing the characteristic equation of D flip-flop. Characteristic equation, or you can say first of all we'll be seeing the characteristic table. In characteristic table we are having the present state, the D input, and the next state. Okay, so as we are having the two inputs, the combination will be 4 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So for D flip flop we are having a feature, or you can say an advantage, or you can say a characteristic, that whatever we used to give the input, the same will get the output. It means the input is equal to the output. So if D is 0, then the next state will also be going to be 0, and if D is 1, the next state will also going to be 1. So 0 1 0 1, D is 0, next state 0, D is 1, next state 1, D is 0, next state 0, D is 1, next state 1. Doesn't matter, we are having the present state as 0 or 1. Okay. Now as far as the characteristic equation is concerned, characteristic equation. So in characteristic equation we used to give numbers 0 1 2 3, and with the help of K-map we used to solve this particular equation. Okay, so this is Qn, this is D, Qn bar, Q, sorry as we are having two inputs. Okay, so the K map is going to be of two variables, Qn D, that is Qn bar Q, D bar D. Okay, so according to the numbers, at number 1 we are having 1, and at number 3 we are having again 1. So 1 and 1, we are having a pair. So we can say that Qn plus 1 will be D. Okay, so it proves that whatever be the input, the same will get the next state. Qn plus 1 is equal to D. Now as far as the excitation table is concerned, excitation table, in excitation table, as I have already told you that it consists of present state Qn, the next state, and the D as the output. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. While looking at the characteristic table, we used to fulfill this excitation table. So for 0 present state and for 0 next state, what will be the value of D? Present state 0, next state 0, D is 0. Present state 0, next state 1, present state 0, next state 1, D is 1. So we write D as 1. Present state 1, next state 0, present state 1, next state 0, again 0, and it will be 1. Okay, so this completes the delay flip flop, or you can say a D flip flop having a property that Qn plus 1, that is the next state, is always equal to D, or you can say that input is equal to the output. Next we are going to discuss T flip flop, that is toggle flip flop. T flip flop. T means toggle. Okay, as I told you earlier that T is a combination of J and K. So in a circuit diagram, we will just connect the two terminals and we will be having a one input terminal as T, just like this. It's a clock input and gate, okay, and rest remains the same for this Q, this is Q bar, and the feedback. Okay. So this is a proper circuit diagram for T flip flop. Now we will be taking the characteristic table. Characteristic table. In characteristic table, again we are having the present state Qn, the T input, and the next state. Okay, so if you are having two inputs, the combination will be 4, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Remember that T is a combination of J and K, so we can say that while combining J and K, we are having K. So if T is equal to 0, it means that J is 0 and K is 0. Okay, so we need to remember the characteristic table of JK flip flop. In JK flip flop, if the J is 0 and K is 0, and if present state is 0, then the next state will be 0. Okay, so here also if T is 0, T 0 means J 0 and K 0, and the present state is 0, the next state will going to be again 0. Now if T is 1, it means that J is 1 and K is 1. Toggling condition will be there. Okay, so we will be having the inverted form of the present state, so it will be 1. Qn is 0, the next state will be 1. And if T is equal to 0, again for J equal to 0, K equal to 0, if present state is 1, the next state will also going to be 1. And now T is equal to 1, it means that J is 1 and K is 1. So for present state 1, it will be having the inverted form of the input, that is 0. So 1 का 0 हो जाएगा because we are having the toggling conditions at these two positions. Okay. Now as far as the characteristic equation is concerned, characteristic equation, okay, again we are having two variables. We'll be drawing a two variable K map 0 1 2 3. Here the present state Qn and T, Qn bar Q, T bar T, okay, and we'll be assigning the numbers 0 1 2 3. At 1 and 2 we are having 1, so 1 and 2, okay. So the next state will be for this one Qn bar T plus for this one Qn T bar, Qn T bar. So it means that the next state will be T XOR Qn, okay. Basically this particular expression is the expression for XOR gate A bar B plus AB bar. So we can say that T XOR Qn will be equal to the next state. Now as far as the excitation table is concerned, excitation table, again we are having the two inputs, that is the present state Qn, the next state Qn plus 1 and the output T. So if the inputs are 2, the combination will be 4 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. While considering characteristic table, we need to fill up this excitation table. So we'll look for present state 0, next state 0 in characteristic table, okay. So present state 0 or next state 0, T will be equal to 0. Present state 0, next state 1, present state 0, next state 1, T will be equal to 1. Present state 1, next state 0, present state 1, this one, present state 1, next state 0, again T will be equal to 1. And finally for present state 1 and next state 1, the output will be, or we can say that T will be equal to 0, okay. So this was all about the T and D flip flop. In D flip flop we are having a property that whatever be the input, the same will get the output, that is Qn plus 1 is equal to D. And in T flip flop, toggle flip flop, we are having the XORing phenomena, that is T XOR the present state will going to be the next state. So this was all about D and T flip flop. Next we'll be discussing the state diagrams related to each and every flip flop, okay. Thank you.